Welcome to Reddy Technologies. Handling data in Selenium testing. See, data is an essential part of software development and testing. It is an important concept in the information technology. See, handling data in Selenium testing. Selenium testing means testing using Selenium. Automation testing using Selenium. Next here for this concept I am considering Java with Selenium. Java with Selenium. See, data front end side and back end side. See, front end side, we have web forms, registration forms, search forms, etc. In those forms we fill customer names, addresses, next city name, etc. What is that one? Mobile number, email address, etc. Front end side, data front end side. We may fill registration forms, search forms, etc. in front end side of web applications. Next, data backend side. See, after storing data in backend database, we may test backend database for data integrity and data validity, etc. By connecting with the backend database. Selenium doesn't connect with backend database directly. With the support of programming language like Java, it can connect. See, Java has JDBC, Java Database Connectivity API. Using the JDBC API, we can connect with the backend database and conduct database testing. Okay, front-end data, back-end data. For handling this type of data, we must have awareness on data. Handling data. Observe different types of data. Suppose, what are the front-end side operations? You need to check UI front-end side operations, additions, record additions, next field validations, form validations, in field validations, additions, modifications, deletions, etc. Next, backend side, data validity, data integrity, data storage, etc. things, data comparisons also. Next, when it comes to data, aware of data. Say, if you want to store number, whole number, 100, whole number, WHOLE. This is whole number. We use integer data types. Say we can store, this is 100 now. We can store in byte data type, short data type, short also integer data types, or int data type, or long data type. 100 byte can store minus 128 to plus 127. But we need not consider these two. 25 years back, 27 years back when Java was developed, that time memory was matter. That's why they created different data types for storing different sizes of data. Now memory doesn't matter. Byte, short, you need not consider. You consider int. If it is small number or medium number or large number, you try to use int. Suppose if int is not sufficient for storing any number, that time you can go for long. Suppose 10 digit value with started with 9, 98490, 98490 like numbers, int is not sufficient. That time our Eclipse ID editor shows error, then you can change it long. So for most of the time, we use in Java, we use into data type for storing whole numbers. Next, number with decimal places. It is also a number with decimal places. For storing number with decimal places, we can use float or double. See, size different. Float 32-bit, double 64-bit, size only different. Suppose for storing single character, we use character data type. character data type. Just a minute. For storing single data type, for storing single character, whether it is alphabetic character or other character, number or special character, we use char variable. Next, for storing logical data, true or false, like logical data, we use Boolean data type. Boolean data type. Next, suppose for storing 1, we use integer data type. For storing within double quotes 1 character, if you consider 1 is character, we use char data type. Char data type. Just a minute. For it is number. If you single quotes in Java, it is character. Suppose double quotes, it is string. Next, just a minute. Suppose true, it is logical value. Boolean. Suppose within double quotes true, it is string. See, string is having more scope in computer environment, especially in database technologies. See, suppose single character is within double quotes string. Next, single word is string. Next, alphabets string, numeric value string. Next, inside alpha and numeric string may contain alphabets, numbers and special characters. Suppose special characters, suppose mixed alphabets, numbers and special characters. See, string may contain single character, single word or multiple words. Suppose automated testing using Selenium, it is also string. And observe scope of string in software development and testing. Suppose if you want to store name, customer name, suppose ABCD, customer name. In English terms, it is text type data. We use string for this one. String. Suppose if you want to store city name, suppose Hyderabad, if you want to store the city name, it is text type data. String in computer programming. Next, if you want to store your mobile number, suppose 98345678 digit mobile number. See, name only it is number, but it is string type. Why? It doesn't participate in mathematical calculations. It is string type only. See, in India we write like this. Suppose in US like countries 1 2 3 hyphen 3 4 5 hyphen 1 2 3 4 like format for US numbers. It is name only number, but it is not number, it is string type data. It doesn't participate in calculations. See, this 9878 something, it doesn't participate calculations. Suppose 100 into 200, they are numbers, participate in calculations. Suppose vehicle number, for example, my vehicle example AP28 W 3456. Suppose it is vehicle number in Andhra Pradesh, India, vehicle number, but it is not numeric value. Vehicle number also string. Say it is text type data. We handle vehicle numbers, phone numbers, IDs, etc. data fields using string type data only. String type data only. See, this is about handling data in Selenium testing. And one more thing, whenever you read data from external files or application object like edit boxes, computer programs considers the data as string type data. Suppose inside your string number is there. If you want to perform mathematical calculations on those numbers, you need to convert the data convert. Suppose when conversion is required, whenever you read data from application objects or external files, then you need to convert the data. When suppose if you read India, then internally it assigns India. Whenever you read data, then computer program considers the data as string type data. See, you need not convert this one. Suppose if you try to convert it, it is invalid, error. Suppose if you read alphabets, etc., you use the data as it is. Suppose if you read 100 from your application objects like edit boxes or external files, internally it assigns not only Java, any computer program. Whenever you read data from an external from external files or any external resources, then computer programs consider the data as string type data. For this one, you need to conversion required. Second scenario, convert string to integer. Suppose if you read data 10.234 from external files or your application objects like edit boxes, then internally it assigns 10.234. For this one also, conversion required. Convert and use. Here in this last line, you need to convert string type data into float type or double type data based on the size. See, this is about handling data in Selenium testing, automation testing using Selenium or automated testing using Selenium. Thank you.